You can see the work of Sakha Yakut knife. The knife was forged in Nagar's workshop in Yakutsk of Sakha Republic. This knife is handmade only. This is Sakha traditional food oyos, which means fresh cold meat of young Sakha horse with ribs. That one is very tasty and consists omega-3 helpful acids which clean the vessel from an atherosclerosis.